Yeah, the next topic we start with is power of lens. So power of lens का basic मतलब क्या होता है? Power of lens is nothing but the capacity of a lens to converge or diverge the incident rays which are falling onto it. यानी जो भी incident rays है which are falling onto the lens, तो वो कितने एंगल पे इसको कन्वर्ज कर सकता है या कितने एंगल पे उसको डाइवर्ज कर सकता है. That angle is that capacity for converging and diverging at particular angles is nothing but called as power of lens. The power of lens is nothing but totally depends upon the focal length of the lens. कि लेंस का फोकल लेंथ कितना है. जितना फोकल लेंथ रहेगा उस हिसाब से डिसाइड होगा कि ये जो रेज जो कन्वर्ज या डाइवर्ज हो रहे हैं वो कितने एंगल पे कन्वर्जेंस या डाइवर्जेंस लेंगे. Hence we express power in terms of focal length where focal length is given in meters. So we write the formula as P is equals to 1 upon F in meters. The unit of power is nothing but diopter जिसको हम बोलते हैं which is denoted by capital D. Power का formula 1 upon F as I mentioned. So power का unit is diopter. So how do you measure one diopter? One diopter is nothing but a focal length having 1 meter. Then the power of lens is said to be 1 diopter. I repeat it once again. If the focal length of a lens is 1 meter, then the power of that lens is said to be 1 diopter. These are the most helpful videos which I have got from the net that helps understanding easy. Next, we study combination of lenses. Yani, if there are two lenses having focal length say f1 and f2 और उनको ऐसा बाजू बाजू में रखा है such that they are in contact with each other, then the focal length of this will be the combined effect. Yani the total focal length, that is 1 upon f, will be 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2. See, if two lenses with focal length f1 and f2 are kept in contact with each other, the combination has an effective focal length. Effective focal length मतलब इसका focal length plus इसका focal length मिला के total जितना focal length होगा वो combine करके focal length count होगा when these lenses are in contact. So we say the final focal length 1 upon f1 is 1 upon f is nothing but 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2. So it says if the power of the two lenses are P1 and P2, then the effective power of their combination is P equals to P1 plus P2. यानी अगर पहला lens जिसका focal length is f1 is having power P1, second lens which is having focal length f2 उसका power is P2, then the total power of both the lenses is given as P is equals to P1 plus P2. So this was all about the power of lens. See, the same thing it has been written over here. इसी को हमने statement में convert किया है. So this was all about power of lens. तो अब तक जो हमने सीखा है, I told you last video में that the sums formula and the sums will be solving. Along with that power of lens जो आपके textbook में दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे see power of lens यहाँ से लेके ये यहाँ तक पूरा over here. This entire thing you will be writing it twice and you will be submitting it as an homework again. Next we have a sum which says the focal length of a given convex lens is 20 centimeter. What is the power? Now we have the formula power is 1 upon f, but we know that f should be in meters. यहाँ पे it is given in centimeter. तो 20 centimeter को मीटर में convert करेंगे. So it is 20 upon 100, that is 0.2 meters. So 1 upon 0.2 इसको जब solve करेंगे we get it 5. Power का unit is diopter, hence the power of the lens is 5 diopter. So this is the sum. Again this also you will be solving along with other sums. प्लस ये जो फर्स्ट एंड थर्ड सम है वो भी आपको सॉल्व करना है. सो बेसिकली आपको ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पूरा का पूरा सॉल्व करना है along with the solved examples. Yeah, so the next topic would be human eye and its working of lens. इसके लिए मैं आपको एक रेडीमेड वीडियो भेजूंगी which I have taken from the net which has a beautiful explanation of it. Also, if any doubts for this, we'll obviously solve for that. But I don't think there should be any doubt क्योंकि इसमें बहुत easily और अच्छे से explain किया है because it is having a full animation technique. Right now, such topics, if I start directly over here, it is very difficult for you to imagine. So once you see that videos, and then still if you have doubts, we'll again continue with the same topic if and when needed. So I request everyone to go through that video, because ये जो ह्यूमन का पार्ट है उसके जो डिफेक्ट्स है for the visions, that is myopia, hypermetropia and presbyopia. These are the most important part for the chapters. ये most important topic है क्योंकि इसमें बहुत सारा questions आता है. And lastly, you will go through the uses of concave lens and convex lens. ये आप खुद read करोगे और खुद से उसका notes बनाओगे, and when I ask you will explain me. So that's it for today. These two videos and one recorded video I am sending you. Please go through that and make sure you do the homework in time.